Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here at the shop, and I'm just gonna show you that, like, I take tons of shit apart. There's a whole bunch of boards. Like, if I ever need to chop a section of a board out, rip a trace off to fix an amplifier or something, I got boards, I got traces. For instance, here's a switch, a little electronic switch. You know, little odds and ends. And then I collect parts. I strip boards like this, take the chips off, unsolder them, and I keep the aluminum heat sinks, you know, the chokes, anything I can fucking possibly salvage, little transformers, that little thing. The time that went into making that, it's crazy. Here's another one. Look at all that wire. You know, capacitors, resistors, everything. There's a 100 volt capacitor. Here's littler ones. 250 volt. Here's a little, looks like a, what is this? Thinking it's a relay, maybe? I don't know. Down to even resistors. Isn't that a beautiful resistor? That is beautiful. I save them all, because you never know if you're fixing a board and the color match, you know. You can look that up and see what the printout is for it. You know, got some transistors. This is, in this case, this is a, let's see what we got here. This looks like a rectifier. Yeah, I think it's a rectifier. Then I got a whole bunch of these ones, which are, hold on. There we go. What is it? Come on. Focus. IRF 640N. IRF 640N. I think I've actually even used them in boards before. And then capacitors. Like, here's one. Fengal. 270 microfarad. 240 volt. Fengal. There's negative, positive. 105 degrees Celsius, negative 40. Negative 40 plus 105 degrees Celsius. Anyways, I save all these. These are all different sizes. 40, 105 degrees. I don't know, I just keep all the parts down to even little. Here, I'll show you. See if I can get one of these to show up on the screen. Hold on. Let me get my little, here, right here. Even these. Let me see if I can grab one. Is this one? No. Gotta see if there's one. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can zoom in on this. It'll be a lot. Nope. It actually has a number on it. There it is. Can't even zoom in on it. See what that number is. Well, let's see if I get a light on it. Brighter light. There we go. There's the number. The number is... Can't even read it, man. There's a little number there. There. Oh. Oh, so close. It's trying. Looks like 401 or something. 104. There it is. 101. That's a little resistor. And then I have capacitors the same size. But these are on amps, believe it or not. And that's, there it is. It's a spec. It's right fucking there. It's a spec. They're a bitch to solder too. And then you got even like, there's a Zener diode. I mean, you can really get down into the dirtiness of this. These things are so small. Like let's pick this out for instance. Let's look at this. Put some light on it. There we go. Look at all that writing. It's hard to make it out, but there we go. There's all kinds of shit. 400 volt I see. JEC. It's some type of capacitor. But anyway, I'm at the scrap yard here, cleaning it up. And then I get these little, you can see them in there. Little resistors and capacitors. There's like probably 20 of them in that little spot. Look at that. 20 of them. You can hear them. Alright, but you know, I was ripping this board across, and you know what? Here's what I found. I think this was the failure of the board. If you can see it, yep. Look at that. A blown out resistor. Huh. And you know, another reason why I can tell it was blown out. Look at the board. Look at the fucking burnt spot right there. At one time, that thing got super hot. You can obviously see the head. That's where the failure was. Come on, focus. Right there. Got so hot it scorched the board. But yeah. Take more parts off tomorrow, but now I'm just going to clean up. And believe it or not, this is an amplifier. Here's an amplifier. I don't know how many watts it is. This is a little amplifier. It says 413-2004. I don't think there's too much wattage to this. There's one transistor right there that possibly couldn't do much of anything. There's no writing on the board. I see outputs. What's behind this ribbon? Left and right output. Positive. Yeah. It's not a very, very powerful amplifier. So you can see there's a little chip in the board right there. It's actually right there on this side. Probably for the output of some sort. But you can see a lot of stuff going on this little board. But alright guys, I'm going to clean this up and call it a night. Peace out.